Welcome back, guys, to MJ Crypto. And right in this video, I'm going to be showing you about technical analysis, how it actually starts, and how you can benefit from this amazing information. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to go over to your trading view, click on charts. When that populates, you just select your coin you want to analyze. Very simple. So you can see right here, excuse me, let me cancel this and take this off. Good. So you can see right here, we have BTC USDT. To select your coin that you want to analyze, you just simply come here, select the coin. You can see we have varieties of coins here. Let's say we want to use Ethereum perpetual, actually here on Binance. Yeah, this is it, right? This is it. Good. So we're here on trading view, right? Good, but I don't want to analyze Ethereum for the course of this tutorial. I want to analyze BTC. I love BTC so much. My friends call me BTC hacker. I don't know why they gave me that name though, but it's actually a very funny name. So I'm just going to select BTC perpetual. You can see here futures contract. Good. Now, having done that, let me just quickly take this off. This was the previous trend line I did. I'm going to do that again from scratch so you understand it clearly. All right. Good. So now, BTC USDT. Amazing, amazing, amazing pair. Now, the first thing you want to understand for technical analysis is that TA begins with support and resistance. Now, how do you draw your support and resistance? First of all, the resistance is actually a zone or price action that a particular price cannot go above. All right. In other words, we have so many sellers there and they are pushing the price downwards. Now, to draw this particular resistance zone is very simple. You just click on this place here. Okay, it's called the trend line. Now you click on this. Let's say, for example, this is our trend line. Let's say this is our trend line. We want to put a resistance here. All right, we want to actually put a resistance here. We just click on it and then drag it. All right, just click and drag. Very simple. Ensure it is touching all the points. All right. This is just a demo. All right. It's just basically a demo. So you want to actually draw the what do you call it now? The support. This is the resistance. This is the support. Remember, support can be resistance and resistance can also be support. All right. It depends on the trend. So you want to do this and then draw your support line. You just simply do the same thing. You can see right here, just simply do the same thing. Let me see. Oops. Let me see, hold on. Okay, there's actually a support here. Beautiful. Okay, so this can actually be another word, support zone. So you just click on your trend line and come over here. All right, come over here and then draw it like this. All right, good. But all of these things are actually too complex for a beginner. All right, I would not advise you to start stressing yourself like this. So what do you want to do? You want to make good use of your indicators, right? So now let's cancel these guys here. Let's just take out these guys. Let's take out these guys right now. All right. I'm just going to take out this guy and then head over straight to what? Indicators. All right. Good. Now, when I'm on my indicator section, the first thing I want to do is to write here support and resistance. Okay, I'm just going to say support and resistance dynamics. It's an indicator that is actually very, very, very interesting to use. I use it a lot. Just click on it. It's going to populate right here on your chart. And then we're actually going to what? Customize it to our taste. So we'll come here, we click on these settings and then change the style. Change the style. We can put the line color, the line style. Want to remove it from dash to solid. All right, and then change the color here to another color. All right, good. So you see it's not clashing anymore. All right, good. Now, having done that, you now see you can see clearly now that your chart is actually looking very nice. It's looking very sweet. It's looking very interesting at the same time. All right. Now, I've just taught you how to use your support and resistance. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you different kinds of chart patterns, all right? But basically, this is how to use your support and resistance. It's very simple. You just draw it like this. And when the price breaks below a particular support, know that it's actually coming down to retest the previous one before, all right? That was actually acting as a resistance to the other previous one below it. So basically, it's that simple. Now, let me show you a quick hack. This is one pattern I love so much amongst many patterns, because for trend analysis, we have two major patterns, okay? The reversal and the continuation. A continuation is just a continuation of a particular trend towards a particular direction. It could be either the upside or the downside. It doesn't really matter. But a reversal is telling you that a trend is about to end and the opposite is about to what? Begin. Now let's analyze this. Let's analyze this together right now. You can see here a trend started from this position here, right? Look at my mouse, up to this point. In other words, it went up, found a retracement, went up again, found a retracement, went up again, found a retracement, and finally got here, which is the highest point we have right now here. All right, good. You can even see it here, highest. All right, you can see it here, highest, and then the lowest point. And then it couldn't go further to retrace and find another higher high. It couldn't do that. But instead, it sold off massively to the downside. Now, what we are seeing here is what we call the downward rising wedge. In other words, there's a word sell off to the downside, and then the buyers are trying to push it up, but they can't anymore because sellers are so many in the market. Okay, so you can see this pattern here, a big pull here, bearish pull, followed by a push up to the side, consolidating upwards a little, meaning buyers are trying to push it up, but sellers are saying no, they want to push the price downwards. And then it comes back down again, a massive pull again, bearish pull, and then consolidating. Right now, let's draw the trend line so you see what I'm saying. I'm going to hide this indicator right now. I'll hide it, and then we're going to draw the trend line to see if there would be a breakout. All right, very simple. So I'll just click on this, and just click on this. Good. Now this is actually a wedge. I'm going to go again. I'm going to go again. It's going to go again. Beautiful. So you can see right here the pull back to the downside, selling it off and then consolidating up, meaning buyers are stepping in, but it is most likely that the sellers are going to what? Shut the market down, and then we're going to have a sell back to the downside here again. All right, we're going to have a sell back to the downside, probably hitting 38K. All right, this is what is most likely going to happen to BTC very soon. So guys, this is just a brief introduction to technical analysis. You can see it's very interesting. It's something you're actually going to love. It's something that when you actually know how to do it, it's going to be part of you. All right, let me put back the indicators we were hiding before. All right, so cheers guys. In the next video, I'll be talking about different chart patterns that you need to be familiar with. All right, cheers. You have a good time.